Hey there, Encappers. Today I'm wearing my Releasit Encap Man superhero shirt, and in this episode I'm going to share how Releasit can help you put on a cape and clean like a hero too. So I want to talk to you about how NCAP Clean DS2, in fact all of the Releasit products, can help you clean like a hero. How are you going to do that? Well, for example, when you're working with a commercial building, cleaning at a rate of 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, which is very doable using a Cymex machine. Orbital machines are coming in very similarly. Working with a product, for example, like NCAP Clean DS2, how does that stack up? Well, to start with, NCAP Clean DS2 loves oil, so it's going to pull oily, grungy, dingy looking traffic lanes. It's going to pull that soil into suspension, hold it in the polymers till it can be vacuumed out of the carpet during post-vacuuming. In addition, it's going to help the carpet to resist resoiling. It has a built-in protector, and that polymer is not going to track soil. It's actually going to release from the fiber. No soil is going to be attracted to the carpet, so the carpets are going to continually look cleaner longer. The cool thing about that is, as you progressively work with a product and you get a carpet into a maintenance program, so if you're getting your commercial accounts set up that you can regularly go back there and service them on a routine basis, you're going to find that the carpets become easier and easier and easier progressively as you work with it. They're going to get easier to maintain. So the carpets are going to stay cleaner longer. What does that mean for your customer? You're going to be a hero. You're going to make their carpets look better. And in fact, you're going to be able to make a better profit, because let's face it, this product does not cost very much to work with. A gallon of product will make up 9,900 square feet of carpet cleaning. How does that break down? Well, a gallon of ready to use in a Cymex, for example, clean about 300 square feet per gallon. This is a 32-to-1 product, so this is going to make 33 gallons of usable product. 33 times 300 is 9,900 square feet with a single gallon. So quickly you can see this is going to be an exceptional moneymaker for you. But passing that along to your customer, if you're building a maintenance program and you've got to kind of make a program that they can cost effectively afford to implement and get the cycle of cleaning amped up a bit so that you can really stay on top of their carpets and keep them looking great, you can see how you can quickly put together a program where you can be a hero for your customer. One more thing too that will help you to be a hero is the quick dry times. We're not going to have extended dry times. Carpets are going to dry like that really quickly, so you can put the carpets back into service very quickly and they can get back on their carpets. So these are just a few ways that working with Releasit can help you knock the ball out of the park. Yeah, put your cape on, be the superhero for your customer. That's what we want to achieve, is to be able to give them a great experience while you're making a good profit in the process. And the Releasit line has really helped countless carpet cleaners to be more effective, to be more profitable in their cleaning businesses. We hear from guys all the time how it's really helping them out with their business, and hopefully it's helping you as well. So this is just one more way that we help you hopefully become more successful in your commercial carpet cleaning business, helping you to achieve a higher standard of cleaning for your customers. It's just one of the ways that we help you max your NCAP here at Excellent Supply. So if you would, share your comments about how you're using Releasit products in the comments below. I'll also put a link to NCAP Clean DS2 in the comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.